Hi, Mark Pelly here, Registered Migration Agent at Visas to Australia. Today we're going to be talking about the Child Visa Subclass 101. Now this is a permanent visa that allows children of Australians to move and live with their parents in Australia. You must be outside Australia when you apply for this visa. Cost of the visa is $2,665. This visa is suitable for the biological, step or adopted children of Australian citizens, permanent residents or eligible New Zealand citizens. To be eligible for this visa, you'll need to be a dependent child of a parent who's an Australian citizen, permanent visa holder, or an eligible New Zealand citizen. You need to either be under 18 or be aged between 18 to 25 and studying full-time, as well as being financially dependent on your parents, or over 18 and unable to work due to a disability. You must be single and dependent on a parent. You need to be outside Australia for the application and when a decision is made. It is important to note that there must be written consent of both parents who can legally decide where the child lives. Further, you must have permission by the laws of the child's home country permitting the removal of the child. You'll need to meet necessary health and character requirements, pay back all debts to the Australian government, and the Department of Home Affairs must determine that it is in the best interest of a child for the visa to be granted. Or, you'll need to have guardianship or custody of the child under an Australian law or law of another country. It's important to note that if the child has siblings who also want to apply, they each need to submit their own separate applications. If the child has themselves their own dependent children, they can apply at the time of application or any time prior to making the decision. To be an eligible stepchild, you must be the child of your step-parent's former partner and be aged under the age of 18. The step-parent must also have either an Australian parenting order in force that says the child is to live with them and that is to be looked after by them. The Child Visa Subclass 101 allows a child to move to Australia and live here permanently. They can enrol in the Medicare program, study, and eventually apply for Australian citizenship. If the child is adopted, you may want to consider the Adoption Visa Subclass 102. It's only in very specific circumstances you can apply for a child visa when the child is actually adopted. The Child Visa Subclass 101 costs over $2,500 to apply for, and considering this is your child, you want to get it right first time. Give us a call at Visas to Australia. We can help you with all aspects of the application, including document preparation, legal submissions, and more. Contact details and links are in the descriptions below. Mark Pelly here from Visas to Australia. Stay tuned for other videos. We look forward to talking to you very soon.